Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to sign in or log in or how to create your account on Litmatch make new friends application. So if you don't download yet, then go to Google Play Store or App Store, then download this app, and after that you can see Litmatch. So simply tap on the app. Also tap on that app, so there will be two options to log in, like one is Facebook and another is Google. So if you tap on the Facebook, then you have to log in your Facebook page. Okay, so once you give your or you can continue as your uh, Gmail. So this time I don't want to like this. Or if you want to log in, tap here. Once you tap here, then you will see the Gmail account. It's already in your Gmail app. Then you'll see that Gmail account. So tap on that and simply tap on that, then it will be logged in. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.